Hello, my name is Miguel, and today I'm gonna show you how to preserve scallion. Yeah man! You need fresh scallion. Put scallion on a hard surface. Use a sharp knife. Cut off scallion's root end. Scallion is expensive, so when you buy it and you see it dry up before you get a chance to use it, I'm sure nobody likes that. To preserve the scallion, do this. Use the knife. Cut off the scallion's leaf tip. Use your fingers. Rip off rotting leaves. Go through patiently. Do this until you're finished. After that, get a big enough bowl ready. Put the prepped scallion into the bowl. Now, drizzle several drops of distilled white vinegar on the scallion that is in the bowl. You could use a tablespoon of salt instead. Now, use your hand with your fingers. Rub the scallion's leaf clean. Ensure to remove dirt. Ensure the scallion is clean. Use your fingers. Rub it clean. After that, give scallion a final rinse with fresh water. It's best if you do this part on the fresh running water. Next, put scallion in a colander. Allow it to drain. Allow the draining off of water. Next, put the scallion in a clean container with a lid. You could use a Ziploc or you could use a clean plastic bag such as this. After that, seal the container tight or tie the bag tight. This is scallion, clean and prepared. Now, to preserve scallion, put it in the freezer. Freeze it for 6 months or longer. When you're ready to cook, just use the amount you want. When you're ready to cook, just use the right amount of scallion. You could just take out just the right amount of scallion that you're using. If you allow it to defrost before you put it into the pot, it's gonna be chewy. But to me, that is still okay. Nevertheless, it's best to take it from the freezer to the pot same time. That's what I do. Anyway, try it. Let us know if it works for you. Until next time, walk good. Visit JamaicanCookings.com. You should subscribe, like, share this video with everyone. Try it. Let us know if this cooking tip idea worked for you. Yeah man!